Alright, here's the outside of a chicken shed, as we're going to call it for now. As you can see, we need to clear it out. It's got some junk still in here.
Bucket in the Canberra or over there.
Say what?
Bucket in the Canberra or over there.
Okay. Good morning to Sherman.
I gotta go tease them again.
Oh yeah, we have to feed the calves. Went into the barn over there to grab the nail gun or staple gun to help patch up some of the holes we have in here with some of this. And we woke up all the calves about 40 minutes before their normal feeding time, and so we said, oh, we got them awake, so let's go ahead and start making some milk. And so she's going over there to get something, I guess, to aid her in that process. And so this is what we got going on here after we feed the calves. Patch these holes up, get some electricity run out from the house out here, set up a brooder in here, and should be good to go. All right.